Hi, what's your name?
I'm Mackenzie.
What's your major?
I'm a computer science major.
What's your role on this team?
I'm the lead developer.
Why is clean water important?
This past summer when my hometown lost clean water, the clean water issue became real personal to me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Sven.
What's your major?
My majors are applied psychology and film studies.
What's your role on this team?
I am the creative director.
Why is clean water important?
Clean water is important to me because I've been a competitive swimmer for 15 years and I would like to keep swimming in the future. Thanks.
Thank you. What's your name?
Kyle Hansen,
What's your major?
Information Systems,
What's your role on this team?
Systems Architect.
Why is clean water important?
Clean water is important to me because I watch carefully what I put into my body, and if I don't know exactly what's going in there, it scares me.
Thank you. What's your name?
Will Bender,
What's your major?
computer science,
What's your role on this team?
Scrum Master.
Why is clean water important?
I think I can answer that with a question. What was in the last cup of water that you drank?
Thanks.
Hi!
Hey, what's going on?
What's your name?
Nathaniel.
What's your major?
History.
What's your role on this team?
I'm the historian/researcher.
Why is clean water important to you?
Clean water is important to me because I believe it's a basic human right.
You can go.
Thanks.
We're part of the NYC Design Factory, and we participate in the Challenge-Based Innovation Project for 2018 to 2019. And our team name is
Oceans 5!